say this every time. I don't mean to wear glasses when I record, but here we are. Hi guys, I'm Adriana, aka Lady Adri. If you are new to this channel, I want to say welcome. If not, welcome back. I am glad to have you. If you are new and you like what you see today, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting, especially the series to this actual video, which I'm very excited about. And I do want to say Happy New Year. Today is December 31st, 2021. About time I post this, it'll be January 2022. So in advance, Happy New Year. So today, by the title, you can see that this is all about my bedroom accessories. I am redoing my bedroom and I am so excited about it. I've been in this apartment for 2 years now and my room is still kind of bare to me. I didn't really put any real life into it. And now I think it's time. Like, I don't know how long I'll be here, but for the time being, I want my room to feel homey. Like, it just needs more stuff. And to the left of me, I have all of the stuff that I want to show you guys before I put it into my room and do the actual whole room makeover, room refresh. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm giving you something that I had no idea about. So I want to put y'all on because I was put on because I did research, but I was put on and I need to put y'all on just in case y'all don't know about this item and where it's found, because I was taken back when I did find it at a great price. So let's get into my bedroom accessories. Starting with my rug. Now, I have carpet in my bedroom, but I don't think there's any rules saying that you can't put a rug on top of carpet, right? I hope not, but this is the rug. When I saw this, I fell in love with it. So of course my room is like whites, grays, the typical, but I'm going for that luxury, hotel, glam, you know, and that's kind of what it is now, but I'm just redefining that. But I loved this rug because the raised part of this, you get kind of like a shimmer, and I don't think you can see it in the camera, but I got this is actually a Christmas present from one of my best friends, but this came from HomeGoods, and I believe this is a 5x7 carpet. All right, so next item is this lamp. Has like the cracked glass, a pair of them from Macy's for $99, and that was a Black Friday sale. I think originally they were almost like $200, so 200 and something. I will try to link again everything down below. But next I got a king size white goose feather down blanket, and I always get bigger than what my bed is, so I have a queen size, but I love the oversized, especially when it comes to a comforter. I like that fluffy look, so number one, I wanted to get the feather down, and I just wanted something, again, luxurious, and I didn't pay a luxurious price, I'm telling y'all. Okay, this is also Macy's. I got it for $50, and you do not find a authentic feather or, you know, white goose feather down for $50, but I did on Black Friday. Macy's, again, I think this was originally $200 and I got it for $50. Next, I got king size pillows. This is an Eddie Bauer brand. I really wasn't too caught up on the name brand, but I got these from Marshall's for $20. Again, it's king size, so it's going to take up my bed. Again, it's gonna look larger and just more, I don't know, more regal. I don't know, that's just coming to my mind. But I wanted everything oversized, so that's that. Next, this is an Amazon purchase. So I bought pillow covers, and these are like for the Euroshams. So these are 24 by 24. So I got these smaller than my pillows so that it can look fuller, and I'll show you all that in a minute. This is what it looks like out of the package. Hold on. Oh, so this is what it looks like out of the package. It's, you know, suede material. These are from Amazon as well, satin pillowcases. So if my bonnet ever falls off at night, or, you know, anything like that, I have my pillowcase as a backup. I am going to get king size of these two, but these ones are standard because I have some memory foam pillows that I'm not getting rid of anytime soon. So I got these for those pillows because those are the ones I sleep on more often. So let's keep going. Okay, now we know that when we sleep, sometimes our fitted sheet may come up. Again, this is why I usually size up when it comes to my bedding, because I don't like having to fix my bed every time. But I mistakenly got smaller sheets, and when I say smaller sheets, I mean the right size. I got a queen size, and I'm not gonna take them back because they were only like $20. But I got their bed sheet fasteners. These are from Amazon as well. Again, everything I bought will be linked below. This is my first time trying these, so I don't know how these will turn out, but I'm hoping that they do what they're supposed to do and keep the sheet tucked, and I don't have to fix it every single time. So we'll see how those go. I have my sheets. So this is a sheet set from 4-piece sheet set. This is from Home Depot. Do not sleep on Home Depot. Again, I want to say they were $20. I got this Black Friday as well, also from Home Depot. Black Friday again. I got, now these are a different brand, but they're packaged the same. But this is my duvet cover for my feather down comforter. This is my first time using a duvet, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know how I feel about, you know, maybe it moving around, and I don't know if it has ties in the inside. I know how duvets work. I've just never used one. I was always like a comforter girl. So we'll see. So I got this in king, but I've been like reading, researching on duvets and everything, and a lot of people, to make it look, make your bed look fluffier, they usually put a the king size duvet in a queen size duvet cover. So I may have to try it. I don't know. I'm gonna see how this one works and how it looks. If I love it, of course we'll keep it. I'm gonna keep this regardless, but yeah, so we'll see how that turns out. So this is Home Depot purchase as well. Next, this is one thing that, shame on me, that I don't have in my bedroom right now, which I already know it's about to elevate the space, and I'm so ready for that because I know it's just gonna make it look so much different from, you know, how it looks now. It's curtains. Curtains, curtains, curtains. So I bought a couple of them. I got these from I got these from Macy's as well, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but they ended up being the same price. So these were $9.99. They were either $7.99 or $8.99. I will let you know down below. So I got white and I got gray, and I also got a blackout gray and I got a blackout white. I did that because in the summer I might do a blackout white for, you know, cooler seasons. Right now, winter, I think I'm gonna do the gray with the white sheer in between. So yes, I have these in white as well. They're just still in the box. Not gonna open everything just yet because I'm not gonna really use those ones right now, but I'm for sure going to be using these two to match all of my decor. Up next, I have a decal. So I was really confused about what to do with above my bed. So right now I have 2 mirrored nightstands and mirrors on top of the nightstand hanging up, and I want to get new mirrors, y'all, but the ones I want are like $80 a piece, and I don't really know if I could bring myself to pay that much money for these 2 mirrors, but they're gorgeous, and they're from At Home, and I don't even know if they have them anymore, but I seen them about a year ago, and I know they're gonna have either something like it, but I think I'm gonna stick with what I have, the mirrors that I have. I think, I don't know, once I post my makeover video, maybe I might have the new ones, I don't know. But I was confused about what to do above my bed, and I went this route. I'm gonna show you now. I went the decal route. So I don't know if you can really see. Oh yeah, you can. So it says, give it to God and go to sleep. I didn't really want a, I don't know, I wanted it to be a spiritual type of situation above my head, because that's what we do. We pray, go to sleep, right? So I thought that would be cute above the bed. I got it in a dark gray just to match the theme. I didn't want it white because my walls are, I don't know if you can kind of see around, I know it's kind of yellow tinted right now, but my walls are like that tan color, and I didn't want white, I didn't want a black. So I was just like, let's do a dark gray, right? And I didn't want to do a light gray because I just felt like I want you to see it, like I don't want it to blend in that much. So that's that. I'm nervous about hanging this because I haven't done a decal before, but we'll see what happens. So I'm excited to see this up and just to see what it looks like. We've made it to almost the end of the video, and I want to share this item with you all. I can't stop smiling because why haven't I seen this before? I must have missed it. Maybe I just wasn't looking for that specific thing before, but the fact that I found it and I'm excited about it, and it's priced well, I'm gonna share it with you all. Okay guys, the item is a pillow, and I know some people hate it, some people love it, but the karate chop, right? To get that karate chop look in a pillow, you have to have a feathered pillow, right? You have to have that textured pillow to get the chop. You can't do a polyfill pillow because it'll just bounce, but like this here is a polyfill. I can't chop it because it's a polyfill. Now this one behind me is feathers, and I can chop it because it's a feather, right? Y'all, I was about to spend over $100 to $200 for all of my pillows, right? And IKEA has feather pillows And this is a 26 by 26. That's huge. And I'm gonna take it out so you can see. 26 by 26 is $10. If that's not a put on of all put ons, I don't know what is. A feathered filled pillow for $10. 10. They do have 20 by 20 pillows that are also feather filled that are $6. Where do they do that at? Like, when I saw and found that, I was just like, this is a money saver, lifesaver in one, right? So I'm gonna open this one and I'm gonna show you guys, because I had one of the pillow covers open because I've already stuffed one of these in the pillow cover. That I found this. So it comes rolled pretty tight, but once you fluff it up, look how big this is, right? So the pillow is humongous. The pillow is humongous. And here it is in the 24 by 24 pillowcase. Now it looks very stuffed because the pillowcase is smaller than the actual pillow. But that's why it'll look nice and full, because it's small. So again, pillow, let me just give y'all, pillow cover 24 by 24. Pillow insert is 26 by 26. To get the full look, that's what you'll do. You'll size down. Now you don't have to, you know, size down by 2 inches. You can size down by 1, but they typically don't make 25 by 25 pillow covers. But this is what you'll get when you size down. Y'all see how fluffy this is? This this is the put on of all put ons. Like, if you do not buy these $10 pillows from IKEA, please buy them. They're such a money saver. Don't waste your money buying them from Amazon for 2 for $60 or, you know, whatever, because I need a lot of them. And I don't need a lot. I bought 3 of these and I bought 4 of the 20 by 20s. Again, those are $6 each. But I'm gonna use some of them for my bed and then some of them for the couch, because I want to recreate some things in here. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this bedroom accessories video. I cannot wait to refresh my bedroom and finally make it feel a little homey. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because that'll be one of my next videos. And I also have tips for refreshing your space or refreshing your room. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. So if again you enjoyed what you've seen today, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.